Introduction to the Streaks app.
This previous user message can help you build better habits by tracking your daily routines. With a simple interface, it encourages you to stick to your goals. Whether you want to drink more water, exercise, or read daily, Streaks makes it easy to monitor your progress and stay motivated.
Setting up your first habit.
To get started, open Streaks and choose an activity you want to develop into a routine. Tap the plus button to add a new task, customize its name and icon, and set how often you want to complete it. You can track up to 12 habits at once, allowing you to focus on your most important daily routines.
Tracking and completing tasks.
Each day, mark your habits as complete by simply tapping and holding the task. Streaks creates visual chains, motivating you to keep your streak going. If you miss a day, the streak resets, but the app provides helpful reminders and encouragement to help you get back on track.
Customizing to fit your lifestyle.
Streaks allows you to customize tasks for different schedules. Set habits for specific days or multiple times per day, and enable notifications to receive friendly nudges. You can also connect Streaks to the Health app for automatic tracking of health-related habits, making it even easier to stay consistent.
Reviewing progress and staying motivated.
Streaks display statistics and charts, helping you visualize your progress over time. Reviewing these trends can highlight successes and reveal patterns in your behavior. Celebrating small wins and seeing your streaks grow is a powerful motivator to consistently maintain your daily routines.
Tips for long-term success.
Start with a few manageable habits and gradually add more as you build confidence. Use reminders, celebrate your streaks, and forgive occasional misses. Streaks supports your journey by turning daily actions into lasting routines, helping you create positive change in your everyday life.